Welcome to Richpeace CAD software online lessons. Today is teach you, grade table. First go through the grade table option. Click or make a square to select more grade points. Click, X, Y, or X equal Y to finish grading. Select one or more grading points and enter the grading value. If you want to change the direction of grading, click -X or -Y. For copy and paste grading, click Graded Point. Click the copy grading icon, then click on Graded Point, click Paste Grading to finish. Clear grade value of one or more graded point. For unequal grading, select X non-equal grading or Y non-equal grading. Clear pattern grading, press Ctrl+G. Thanks for watching today's video. See you tomorrow.